Hi, my name is Clemente Valenzuela. I'm an audiology technician, MA here at ABHA. In today's video, we're going to talk about iPhone connectivity to hearing devices. If you're having any problems, the first step is to restart your phone. Sometimes this solves that connectivity issue between your hearing devices and the phone. If after doing this, that doesn't work, then we have to move to step 2. You want to unpair your devices and reconnect them to your iPhone. To do this, you want to go to Settings, then scroll down to General and Accessibility. You will scroll down all the way to the bottom into the section that says Hearing Devices. In here, you will notice on the top that your devices are connected. What you want to do is click and forget the devices. Next, you want to restart your hearing aid. If you have rechargeable devices, you want to take them out of the charger. So that way they are in discovery mode. If you have battery-enabled devices, just open and close the battery door. Now make sure that your Bluetooth is on, and after a while, you will see your devices appear on the top. You will see your name, an R and L pertaining to right and left. Next, you want to connect. You'll be prompted to pair it twice, 1 and 2, because we have 2 devices, right and left. After this step, your devices are connected. Now, we want to make sure that your app is working as well. So you want to open your Oticon app, or if you have another manufacturer, this is the similar process, but you just want to open the remote app. Once you open it, with iPhones, you get a clear connection, and now your device should function correctly. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please click and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when new content and tutorials are posted. Thank you and have a great day.